In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to print 5x5 photo on your HP Envy Photo 7975 printer series. Now this printer comes with a dedicated photo tray that supports 5x5 photo paper. And this is how you load the 5x5 paper into the input tray. So you need to load with the watermark facing upwards. So open the input tray, and this is the photo tray. You need to push it to the side so that you can fit in the 5x5 photo paper. Load in the 5x5 photo paper and close the tray. We are now ready to print our photos. Let's start up HP app. If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe. Tap on the printer icon. We'll select Print Photos. We'll print this photo. So it has detected that the 5x5 media is loaded. Let's go to Next. So the paper type is photo gloss paper, and the source is in the photo tray with 5x5 media. Let's print. And this is the 5x5 photo that is printed on the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer series. So this is how you load and print a 5x5 photo on the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer.